In front of us, we have question 2, third part of exercise 3.6. Formulate the following problem as a pair of equations and hence find the solutions. So first we have to create the equations by this problem and then we have to find the solution for the equation. So what is the question? Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her home partially by train and partially by bus. So the total distance is 300 kilometers. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train and the remaining by the bus. So the remaining hours is 240. 300 minus 60 is 240. So the 240 kilometer is by bus. If she travels 100 kilometers by train, then the remaining by bus. So these are the 200 by the bus. She takes 10 minutes longer. So we will convert this 10 minutes into hours. 4 hours, 10 minutes. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. So what we have to find? Speed of the train and speed of the bus. So we will let the speed of the train. Let speed of the train x kilometer per hour and speed of the bus y kilometer per hour. Okay, so according to question, we know that the time equals to distance upon speed. So the time taken by a bus is 60 kilometers upon speed of the train. 60 kilometers is the distance travelled by train and the remaining by the bus. And the remaining by the bus is 240 kilometers and the speed of the bus is y kilometers. And total time taken by is 4 hours. This is our first condition. Now second condition is she travels 100 km by bus. So time taken by plus 200 upon y, speed of the bus, equals to time taken by she takes 10 minutes longer, that is 4 hours 10 minutes. 4 hours 10 minutes, that is 4 plus 10 upon 60. Convert this 10 minutes into hours. So we can write it as 100 upon x plus 200 upon y equals to, when we will solve this, we will get 25 by 6. So this is our first equation. This is our second equation. Now put 1 by x equals to a and 1 by y equals to b. So we can plus 240b equals to 4. This is 100a plus 200b equals to 25 by 6. Now we will solve this equation for the a and b. And this is our third equation and this is our fourth equation. Now multiply this equation by 100 and multiply this equation by 60. So we get 6000a plus 240 multiply 100 is 24,000 equals to 400. Same 600 plus 6 to the 12,000 equals to 24 upon 6 into 60, that is 250. Okay, now we will subtract these equations. subtract these equations, minus minus minus. This is 12,000. B equals to 400 minus 250 is 150. So B is equal to 150 upon 12,000. That is 3 5 is 15, 3 4 is 12, 5 1 is 5 is 40. This is B is equal to 1 upon 80. Now put value of B in equation 3. That is 60A plus 240 into 1 upon 80 equals to 4. Equals to 4. And this is 3. That is 60A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 upon 60. But A is equal to 1 by x. This implies 1 upon 60 is equal to 1 by x. This implies x is equal to 60 and x is speed. So we will write as 60 km per hour. Same way B is equal to 1 upon y. This implies 1 upon 80 equals to 1 upon y. And y is also the speed of the bus. So y is equal to 80 km per hour. So we can write it as speed.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.computationlife.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.